Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with CJ Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Let's jump right into the sinking funds cash stuffing. So I've accumulated quite a bit of cash, and I did mention Sunday that I was pulling some of the money from my cash stuffing to put into my sinking funds. I've said a lot this week, you guys. I'm trying to figure my stuff out. So if you hear something, I do pre-record sometimes, so those videos may contradict what you're seeing today, which in fact, it's okay. We're all just going to breathe. We're all just going to get through it, right? I was trying to cut back on my filming, but this just so happens to be something that I should have taken care of already, and I didn't. So here we are. We're going to take care of it today. Let's see what we're doing. All right, so for sinking funds, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93, 310, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. I have $365. I have $365 to stuff today. So, this is crazy because I was just in a pickle last week. You all saw it. My car was giving me trouble, so I unstuffed the savings challenge because I had this money tied up in other savings challenges. It was just like, what do I need to do? I made my decision, which meant that these savings challenges kept accumulating, plus what I put in here from this past week, this past Sunday, and I'm completely in shock. I mentioned as well, I did get my state taxes. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with that yet, so I'm trying not to be bothered with it, but that was another reason why I was like, look, that money's going to be calling your name in that bank account, so go ahead and stuff the money you have into your sinking fund. So that's what I decided to go ahead and do today. And some of it will be definitely going into my safety net. That's going to be really important. At the time you're seeing this, my kiddos are on spring break, and so hoping to put some of this money aside for them to have a little fun. So speaking of which, my hooligans, my boys, are going to get some cash. Let's see. Let's do 20, 40. Let's do $60 for my kiddos, so we can get them outside and doing something fun. I don't know what we're going to do. I think we're probably going to go to a trampoline spot and get something to eat. It always works for them. They keep asking for money to load onto their VR. I'm still trying to figure out how much to give them and all of that, so we'll figure it out at some point. So self-care, let's do... I wanted to get my nails done, but I don't think that's going to happen. It might. I don't even know how much a pedicure would be nicer, wouldn't it? How much is a pedicure? It's been that long, and oh boy, let's see. Because I know I need 160 in safety net. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 81, 40, 60. Okay, so that's definitely going into safety net, and then the rest we can figure out. Okay, I think I'm going to get a pedicure. Okay, I'm trying to keep my composure because... okay, I think I'm going to get a pedicure. Okay, it's been a very long time since that has even been an option for me, so there's that. And I didn't think I would be that emotional about a pedicure, but here we are. Car maintenance still has $10 in there. Let's add another $10. And then home, let's add 5, 10, 15, 20. I think 20 would be good. Let's see. Safety net, that is when I take time off from work and I need to pay myself. Sometimes it comes up where things happen and I just have to leave work, and that's okay. Because I work part-time, I don't accumulate a lot of PTO, so safety net, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 160. So I'm going to put 160 into safety net. I think that's a good solid number because that's at least a couple days to pay myself. And let's see here. We have a little bit of cash left here. And, what shall we do with it? Maybe, well, let's put a few more dollars. Let's put a few more dollars into my boys. I may have to put this back in my account to send them, put some money back in my account to send them some cash. Let's do, I think I'm going to send them 10 each on Cash App, because then they can buy their games or whatever they're trying to get on VR. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. That is a wonderful number. I think that giving them $10 each to blow on the VR will be fun. And then going somewhere, as having a family day out would be awesome. And then like going out to eat somewhere. I do want to take them to this spot. It's called Who Hot, where they choose what they want to eat and they make it in front of you, you know. So maybe self-care. Do we want to add a little bit more cash? And then maybe I can go to bingo. Yep. Okay. I'm going to bingo. 10, 15, 20. When I do go, I will let you know if I won or lost or whatever. I'm not certain when I'm going to actually be able to go, but that's awesome. No more cash. That means that we have stuffed all our money and we are good to go. You guys, please bear with me while we are getting through this week. You're going to hear some lies because I had tried to cut back my filming schedule, but then my situation was just like situationing and I needed to take care of my situation. And so here we are. And stuffing this cash gives me a little bit of wiggle room and the ability to stay out of that account. You know, when you have money and you're like, oh, I got some money. That's how I got some coin, right? And the thing is, like, no, you don't. You have plans, you have responsibilities, you have things that are more important than hitting these streets, girl. So I still need to be very aware of what's happening over here. And if I have to make adjustments, I will. And please forgive the future videos that are contradicting what you're seeing here today. Because I mean, well, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.